Want to make your money work smarter in 2025? Here are the top 5 investment hacks every American should know.
Welcome back to Strike Zone AI. Today, we decode the next major global flashpoint.
Automate your investments. Set up recurring contributions to your 401k, IRA, or brokerage account. Even small amounts grow over time, thanks to compounding. Diversify smartly. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Mix stocks, bonds, ETFs, and even some crypto for balanced growth. Invest in low-cost index funds. They track the market, reduce fees, and historically outperform most managed funds over time. Maximize tax benefits. Contribute to tax-advantaged accounts like Roth IRAs or 401ks. Less tax today, more growth tomorrow. Keep learning and stay updated. Follow financial news, subscribe to investment channels, and adapt your strategy with market trends. Follow these 5 hacks, and 2025 could be your most profitable year yet. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more smart money tips.